Exercise 41. Write a program that prints the triangle in the previous exercise facing the other way. So this triangle here from the previous exercise should now be horizontally flipped and face the other way. Now, in the previous exercise, we were asking the user how many rows they want. Then we print star times the current row number. But in this case, what we want is to print a certain number of spaces plus a star. Let's copy this code here, then we'll modify it. So we want to print space times the number of rows plus a star. Well, we're going to modify this further, but let's try this for now. So if we say 5 rows, it prints space times a star. So there's 0 spaces here, or there's 1 space here, then 2 spaces, and so on. But we want the number of spaces should be decreasing instead of increasing. So first of all, we should change our range function. So this starts with num rows. That's a start. Then it should stop at 1 and the steps of -1. So let's try that. Okay, we're getting somewhere. So we need more stars printing here, more asterisks. So we can multiply that by the current row. Oh, sorry, that should be, it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 minus 4, 5 minus. So this should be num rows minus row. Let's try that. Okay, let's simplify that. Oh, sorry, there's a parenthesis missing there. Okay, we're getting somewhere, but it's only printing 3 of them. It's only printing 3 of them here. Now we need to change this, so it should go up to 0, and here there's nothing printing, and it's only reaching 3, so we want 1 more. One more asterisk. Okay, so there we have it. Here it prints 4 spaces and 1 star, 3 spaces and 2 stars, 2 spaces and 3 stars, and so on. Okay, and it starts at 5 rows in this case, 5 up to 0. So it prints 5. Alright, thank you for watching. See you in the next exercise. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you.